Okay, first you need to tap on start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters. Find a Windows update, tap on run. It will detect the related issues with the Windows update. Once it is fixed, you can close this one. Go to search bar, search for CMD. Right click on the command prompt, tap on run as administrator. You need to type net stop WUAUSCRV. Hit enter. Again you need to type net stop bits. Hit enter. Then after you need to type net start WUAUSCRV. Hit enter. Finally net start bits and hit enter. Then restart your computer. Then again you need to go to this PC, C drive, scroll down and go to Windows option, go to software distribution, double tap on it, select all and delete all files in here. Then after restart your computer and try to update again. Then after again go to search bar and type CMD, right click on it and tap on run as administrator. This time you need to type SFC scan now. Hit enter. Once it is completed, you need to type DISM online cleanup image restore health. Hit enter. Once the process is completed, restart your PC. Then again check your disk space by just go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and tap on storage option. Tap on temporary files. Delete all the temporary files that are not necessary. You can see there are 1.8 gigabytes from here. You can tap on remove files. Then after go back, scroll down and tap on clean up recommendation option. You can clean the files from here also. Then after tap on clean up. Once it is done, if you are using third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable that one. Then after try to update again. And then after open your browser, type Microsoft update catalog like this. Hit enter. Choose the first option, their official website. You can search the failed update KB number in here. You can see KB number like this. Then after tap on search, you can see all the KB number related updates from here. You can simply download that update and you can install it manually. And finally you can go to search bar, type run, tap on run application. You need to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option, go to startup tab, tap on open task manager. Under the system status section, disable all the enable file. If it is enabled, tap on disable. Do the same thing for all these things. Then after tap on OK and restart your computer. For as a final method, you can reset your computer by just go to setting, system section, scroll down and come to recovery option, tap on reset PC, tap on keep my files to keep your files. Then after it will reset your Windows file. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.